Hello student, today we have discuss about the stationary wave. Stationary wave, for that purpose we have to consider here the string is fixed between the 2 points. Then consider these two simple harmonic progressive wave travel in positive and negative direction. Travel along the same path but in an opposite direction. Interfere with each other. Then that type of wave is called as stationary wave. Therefore, we have to consider these two waves travel along the same path. When this string is fixed between the 2 points and it is pulled, then after that these two progressive wave travel along the same path but in an opposite direction, interfere with each other. Then the resultant loop is formed. That loop is called as stationary wave. During formation of stationary wave, some particles, there are some point at which particle vibrate with maximum amplitude. Then it is called as antinode. And there are some point at which particles vibrate with zero amplitude, then it is called as node. And this node and antinode are alternatively produced. Let us consider the two simple harmonic progressive travel along the same path, interfere with each other but in an opposite direction. Then node and antinodes are formed. Node means the point at which amplitude of vibration is zero, and antinode means the point at which amplitude of vibration is maximum. Then it is called as antinode. Then for that purpose, standing wave or stationary wave, it can be defined as fan 2. Definition is fan 2. Simple harmonic progressive wave. Fan 2 simple harmonic progressive wave. Travel along same path, on the same path, interfere with each other, but in an opposite direction. Then that type of wave obtained in the form of loop. Then that wave is called as standing wave or stationary wave. And during this formation of stationary wave, node and antinodes are alternatively produced. This is the formation of stationary string. After that we can discuss about the equation of stationary wave. Equation of the stationary wave. For that purpose we have to consider the two equation of the two simple harmonic progressive wave travel in positive direction and negative direction. Therefore consider equation of resultant stationary wave on the stretched string. Equation of resultant stationary wave on the stretched string. For that purpose we have to consider the equation of two simple harmonic progressive wave. That is first equation y1 is equal to a sine 2 pi nt minus x by lambda. Say this equation number 1. Another equation y2 is equal to a sine 2 pi nt plus x by lambda. Then according to superposition of these two waves, due to superposition of these two waves, we can write here y is equal to y1 plus y2. Say this equation number 3. By putting this equation 1 and 2 in 3, put equation 1 and 2 in 3, we get. Then after that y is equal to a sine 2 pi in bracket nt minus x by lambda plus a sine 2 pi nt plus x by lambda. This is the resultant displacement by using formula. We know that formula is sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D divided by 2 cos of C minus D divided by 2. Say this equation number by using this by using this formula for that purpose here C is term nt minus x by lambda and D term is here nt plus x by lambda. By putting this value we can get expression here a sine 2 pi nt minus x by lambda plus nt plus x by lambda divided by 2. 2a 2a sin 2a sin 2a sin 2 pi nt minus x lambda plus nt plus cos of 2 pi cos of 2 pi cos of 2 pi nt minus x by lambda nt minus x lambda minus nt minus x by lambda divided by 2. Here this term is cancelled and here this term is also cancelled. Here by using formula cos of 2 pi minus theta it is equal to cos theta. Cos of minus 2 pi minus theta cos theta. 2 pi minus cos minus theta. Here cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Therefore, by using the formula y is equal to 2a sin. Here this term is cancelled. Then here remaining term is 2nt divided by 2 cos of 2 pi minus 2x by lambda divided by 2. 2 to get cancelled again. 2 together also get cancelled. Then here y is equal to 2a sin 2a sin 2 pi nt cos of 2 pi here x by lambda minus x by lambda, but cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Therefore, we can write here y is equal to 2a sin 2 pi. Y is equal to 2a sin. Y is equal to 2a sin 2 pi nt. Then cos of minus theta it is equal to cos theta. Therefore, cos of 2 pi x divided by. But consider here is y is equal to consider a is equal to put a is equal to resultant amplitude, that is 2a cos of 2 pi x divided by lambda. Put this value 2a cos 2 pi x divided by lambda, it is equal to a, that is the resultant amplitude. Therefore, after that equation become y is equal to here y is equal to a sin 2 pi nt. Here a is resultant amplitude. A is resultant amplitude of wave. Resultant amplitude of wave. And this term omega is angular frequency, that is omega is equal to 2 pi n. But y is equal to a sin omega t. This is the equation of resultant wave of stationary wave on the stretched string. In this equation, here x is present. Therefore, this is not simple harmonic progressive wave. This x term may occur due to amplitude of wave. X term occur due to only amplitude of wave. Then after that we can discuss about, this is the equation of stationary wave. After that we can discuss about the condition or special cases. That for that purpose we have to consider case first. When vibration is equal to A is equal to 0, then that point is called as node, and this is the condition for node. Then we consider equation A is equal to 2a cos of 2 pi x divided by lambda. Here put value, that is 2a cos of 2 pi x lambda is equal to 0. Then this a is equal to, by putting value 0, then this term goes towards, then cos of 2 pi x divided by lambda, it is equal to 0. That is 2 pi x cos also its value. For cos value is 0 for pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2. Then by calculating value of x here, therefore we can get here value of x is x value is x is equal to, that is here pi get cancelled, here pi get cancelled, and x is equal to, we can get lambda by 4, 3 lambda by 4, 5 lambda by 4. Therefore we can say that x is equal to, formula we can get 2 pi 1 minus 1 lambda by 4. For p is equal to 1, 2, 3. Then distance between here x, to find the value of x, pi and pi get cancelled here, and remaining term 2 into 2, that is 4, and x is equal to lambda by 4. Then after that pi get cancelled, therefore x value is 3 by 4, 3 lambda by 4. Then after that 5 lambda by 4. Then distance between two successive nodes, we can say that two successive node or antinode is lambda by 2. The distance between two successive node or antinode, दोन नोड मधील किंवा दोन अँटीनोड मधील डिस्टन्स किती आहे लॅम्बडा बाय 2. Then after that second condition is, here consider when amplitude of vibration is equal to, that is plus or minus 2a, that is maximum amplitude, then that point is called as antinode. Then second condition is here when amplitude of vibration is here a is equal to plus or minus 2a, then that point is called as antinode. Therefore we can put the value of a is equal to plus or minus 2a. Then 2a is equal to plus or minus 2a is equal to cos of 2 pi x divided by lambda. Here to 2a get cancelled, we get plus or minus 1 cos of 2 pi x divided by lambda. The value of cos is 1 for the 0, pi, 2 pi, then 3 pi, that is 2 pi x divided by lambda. Therefore we can get here the value of x is equal to 0 lambda by 2 lambda, and pi get cancel. X 3 by lambda by 3. Then for 3 lambda by 2, papa get cancel here, and x value is 3 lambda by 2. Then x is equal to, we get formula lambda p divided by 2. Where p value starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. From this it is clear that distance between node and antinode, it is lambda by 4, and distance between node and antinode is lambda by 4, and distance between two nodes or two antinodes is lambda by, and the value of we can get here cos of 2 pi, cos of 10, value of sin omega t is equal to 1. Then the condition and sin omega t is equal to 1, then cos kx, or it is positive, cos kx it is positive, then maximum for which all the particle will use the maximum displacement in a positive direction. When cos kx is positive, then all the particles use the maximum displacement in a positive direction, and when cos kx it is negative, then all the particles for which maximum displacement is negative, then all particle moves in a negative direction. And when sin omega t it is equal to 0, then at that time particle crosses the mean position, and it moves. After that it moves, some particle moves in positive direction and some particle moves in negative direction. This is the condition of an antinode and node. And also we are discuss about this stationary wave. We can say that when it is formed, then we can get this standing wave, that is node and antinode. Standing waves, node, antinode are formed. When maximum amplitude, then it is formed. This is standing wave and longitudinal wave. This is standing wave and this is the longitudinal wave we can get here. This is the transverse wave and this is the standing wave or longitudinal form only in the form of loop. This is about the stationary wave and equation of stationary wave. Thank you.